Good morning. Well, today's the day. It's Wednesday, June 10th, I think. And it's a cool morning, around 50. It's going to heat up to about 80 today. And we are going to do some off-roading. I'm very excited about it. Rented a Jeep and we're taking it out in Moab to two different trails. One's called Fins and Things, and the other one's called Hell's Revenge. And they both look pretty challenging, especially for somebody like me who's never done this before. So we've got a pretty radical Jeep rented, and I'm sure it's up for the task. The question is, am I? All right, we just got to the trail, Fins and Things, and I've got her locked down in 4 low, and we are creeping along, getting ready to get on the trail. That was fun. Yeah.
So what do you think so far?
A lot of fun. A lot of fun. It's amazing what these Jeeps can handle. Like that one right there. I didn't have a camera inside, but you couldn't see any. You didn't see where you were going. I mean, all you saw was blue sky. You just had to kind of trust you're going to level back off and you'll be able to see. Lots of fun.
Look at that steep thing.
True. So we're having a good time in the Jeep. Trig's being a pretty good driver.
Pretty good.
I definitely wouldn't do it.
Real good.
Yeah, he is. He's doing a good job. And the place was really, really nice that we rented the Jeeps from. They're real helpful. Gave us a trail book. But this is a very unique experience. The camera makes it look so far, everything's so far away.
Well, we just finished Fins and Things. What time is it? 10:30? We started at 7:15, so about 3 hours and 15 minutes, if my math is correct. A lot of fun, a lot of fun. We're going to head back into Moab, back to our campground.
And eat. Grab
some lunch, look at some of this video, see how it turned out. Walk our dog, Nala. And then we're going to head out this afternoon and do Hell's Revenge. It's supposed to be even more fun. All right, we're back. We're in the parking lot of the trail Hell's Revenge. We just ran back into Moab and had some lunch. And we're back ready to go. What time is it?
12:43.
12:43. This one takes about 3 hours. I think it's only about 7 miles, but when you're creeping along, it takes a lot longer than what you think it would based on the mileage. But we're excited to go. Let's do it. Hey, is there room for me up there? Is there room for me up there? So we parked at the top of Hell's Gate, and we're just going to walk up here and take a look down it. This is one of the routes or obstacles or challenges, whatever you want to call it, that you can do. And I'm going to walk up here and take a look at it and see what it looks like.
Unbelievable.
So you can see how it's V'd down in the bottom there, and the rubbers on both sides. So you got to kind of have your tires clear up on the wall coming up. And I've watched some YouTube on this, and I've seen a few guys roll them over. It's definitely not easy.
How you feel?
Pretty good.
Are you sweating?
My hands are a little bit wet, yeah. My back's a little bit wet. But yeah, you can't relax for a second. You gotta really pay attention to your speed and your direction, and just have confidence that the Jeep's gonna do what it does, and so far so good.
That's called the escalator. We're not allowed to do it. We wouldn't anyways, but it's real extreme climb.
we just finished Hell's Revenge.
Give me
It's
5.
$3.49. I'd have to go back and see what time it was. It was 12 something when we started. That was a lot of fun. The first half was extremely enjoyable. The second half was really rocky and rough and not a lot of scenery. The guy that rented us the Jeep told us to cut through and kind of go back the same way we came in, and we decided not to do that. This way we kind of saw the whole loop, but well worth the money, and I had a lot of fun.
I did too.
All right, we'll talk to you later.